Hello students, today we will discuss how to build a customizable dashboard for any reports. The tools to build a customizable dashboard. There are two things you need to make the reporting dashboard. Firstly, a spreadsheet app and a source of data to use in the report. There is a wide range of spreadsheet applications, but Google Sheet is the best one to use the data online, and it can also pull the data from any app, like you use the Google Analytics and it takes the data automatically from that application. We use Google Analytics data to show our blog traffic strategies, but we can also import any data that we want in the spreadsheet to use in the dashboard. Now, next step is what to include in the dashboard. You should have the users, the sessions, the bounce rate, the original traffic, or the month-by-month growth of your website strategy. These are the things you need. The performance, you need to performance and measuring it. How your website is working, how it is progressing, you can measure by these steps and by using these Google Sheets. Now, what is the way to get data from your dashboard? You are having the add-ons here. There I have included the Google Analytics. If there is no display of this tab, Google Analytics, you just go to Get Add-ons and you type here the Google Analytics. Here you can put the Google Analytics. You just select it from here and it will be shown to your data add-ons list. So there is a Google Analytics. It is a way how you get the data for your dashboard by using the Google Analytics. Now what you have to do is you just go to add-ons, select Google Analytics, and you just add the create new report. When you select it, it's working. Yes, when you select it, you see a create a new report dialog box. Firstly, you name the report of your dialog box. That is the name of your report. So let's name it the traffic. Now it will ask you that you select the account information. Here you have used the Telcoma Technologies. Other one is your property name is Telcoma Training. Now profile, all website data you want to have. Which type of data from your website? Then we have selected all website data. Other one is choose metrics and dimensions. Metrics is, we have just talked about it, that it is users, sessions, new users, bounce back rate. These all are called the metrics of your Google Statistics. We provide the sessions, it provides the bounce rate, it provides you the average session rate. You can also include the organic researches. Yes. So these are the metrics we have added to our Google report. So in the end, you just click create report and here your report is created with the new file report configuration. Your metrics all are listed here. Your last n days traffic, everything is here. It is a way how you create the new add-on and how to work with it and how to create the new report according to any website that you include. In the next lectures, we will learn how to work with your report. Thank you.